Welcome to Enlighten Study Point.
Hello everyone, welcome to Enlighten Study Point. তো আজি আমি এই ভিডিঅ'ত ক্লাছ 9 ছ'চিয়েল ছায়েন্সৰ চেপ্টাৰ 4 বাৰ্মিজ ইনভেজন অফ আছাম সেই চেপ্টাৰৰ MCQ লৈ আনিছোঁ। তো ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ তুমি চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। তো কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 1 এছাৰচন দি আছে পূৰ্ণানন্দ বুঢ়াগোহাঁই এলাউ দ্য মোৱামৰীয়া মৰাণ ৰুল ইণ্ডিপেণ্ডেণ্টলি দ্য লেণ্ড বিটুইন দ্য ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ এণ্ড দিহিং। Reason di আছে Purnananda Buঢ়াগোহাঁই was aware that too much foreign interference in the internal matter would have adverse effect on the country's interest. Assertionটো শুদ্ধ দি আছে, reasonটো শুদ্ধ দিছে, but it is not the correct explanation. Statement 2 দিয়া আছে, next question. Hardotto and Griyotto, with the help of Burkhan's force of Bengal, revolt against the Ahom king in Kamrup. এইটো শুদ্ধ দি আছে। Statement 2 দি আছে Varan Chandra was successful in suppressing the revolt of Haradatta Viratta, popularly known as Dondwad Rock. Statement 2 ভুল দি আছে, Varan Chandra কখন নহয়। Next question, identify the following statement as true or false. A দি আছে the Ahom king conferred the title of Pratap Ballabh to Kolemura. এইটো শুদ্ধ দি আছে। B দি আছে during the reign of Goinath Singha, a good number of individuals as well as officials organized a rebellion against Purnananda Buঢ়াগোহাঁই. Statement 2 ভুল দি আছে। C দি আছে Varan Chandra was successful in suppressing the revolt of Haradatta Viratta, popularly known as Dondwad Rock. এইটো statement ভুল দি আছে। D দি আছে the marriage of Purnananda's son Orsenath with Bodon daughter Ijo Gavaru brought some improvement in the relationship between Purnananda Buঢ়াগোহাঁই and Varan Chandra. The statement D2 শুদ্ধ দি আছে। Next question, assertion দি আছে Varan Chandra went to Amarapur, the capital of Burma. Reason দি আছে Varan Chandra sought the Burmese king assistance to end the trends of Purnananda Buঢ়াগোহাঁই. Assertion শুদ্ধ, reason শুদ্ধ, it is a correct explanation. Next di আছে Chandrakanta Singha was popularly known as Manepata Raja or king installed by Burmese. The statement 1 to ভুল দি আছে। Statement 2 দি আছে Chandrakanta Singha was a mere puppet and the actual power was exercised by the Burmese army. Statement 2 to ভুল দি আছে। Next question, identify the following statement as true or false. The English Governor General Lord Amherst declared war against the Burmese king. এইটো শুদ্ধ দি আছে। The period from 1817 to 1821 is often referred as Manor Din. Statement B2 ভুল দি আছে। C দি আছে the English force under Lieutenant Neuville captured Jorhat on 17 December 1825. তো এইটো true দি আছে। D দি আছে the Treaty of Yandabu was signed between the Burmese and the East India Company on 24 February 1826. Statement D শুদ্ধ দি আছে। Next question, fact regarding Article 2 of the Yandabu Treaty. Statement 1 di আছে the King of Ava renounced all claim upon Assam. Statement 1 to শুদ্ধ দি আছে। Statement 2 di আছে the king would abstain from all future interference with the Principality of Assam and its dependency Manipur and Arakan. এই স্টেটমেন্টটো হলো ভুলটা আছে। নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চন আইছো। নেক্সট আছে assertion the Burmese invasion of Assam paved the way for a downfall of the 600 years old Ahom rule. Assertion to শুদ্ধ দি আছে। Reason দি আছে the Burmese invasion resulted in terrible atrocities on helpless people. Agriculture, trade and commerce were heavily affected. Reason to শুদ্ধ দি আছে and it is a correct explanation. Next question di আছে fact regarding the Burmese invasion of Assam. Statement 1 di আছে the Ahom king had become nominal ruler. The required military strength had almost dried up leading to political instability. The statement শুদ্ধ হৈ আছে 2 দি আছে the Ahom king or Sorgadeo though temporarily came under the tutelage of the Burmese king. Statement 2 শুদ্ধ দিয়া আছে next question Manordin is often referred to the period from the answer 1821 to 25 who appointed on the Ahom throne after the death of Sorgadeo Goinath Singha and Sargal Kamaleswar Singha. Pijo Gahoru was the daughter of answer goal Horan Chandra Barfukan. Next question Numali Ramja was a mother of answer goal Chandrakanta Singha. Mingi Mahatilawa leading the third Burmese invasion of Assam. Hitia 1821 AD. The Burmese soldier captured Arakan 1784. When the Burmese soldier captured Arakan, the Burmese king was Ensargal Bodopayo. Gambhir Singh was the king of Manipur. Govinda Chandra was the king of Kasar. At the time of military expedition of Captain Wells, the prime minister of Ahom was Punanda Buragohai. To speak the truth, the Burmese invasion of Assam began in the beginning of Ansasle 1817. The murder of Bharan Chandra took place in 1818. The 8th chapter 8 MCQ asile next video next chapter MCQ বনানি ভিডিও চাই থাকিব ভিডিও চাই ভাল পাইছো যদি লাইক শেয়াৰ আৰু সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব ধন্যবাদ